The Hino car transporter has always been a very popular casting for Tomica Limited Vintage Neo. This is one of the few heavyweight casting, shrink down into the scale of 1:64. Most of the components are in die cast, it's very heavy, and the most impressive is the Hino tractor head with numerous details that attribute to the realism of this casting. The Antico car transporter is equally impressive. It can hold up to a maximum of 5 1:64 casting, depending on the car make. Hooking up the car transporter to the tractor head is painless. They roast extremely well and they are able to maneuver freely. And till date, this successful casting has come with a series of 4 in 4 color different variation. And today the ever popular Hino car transporter is replaced by the Isuzu Car transporter. This is the very first casting in the heavy duty series. The Antico car transporter is exactly identical to the Hino version. You are able to pull down the ram and able to release the stand as shown, with instruction all written in Japanese, user mounting parts where you have to install the side mirror yourself. The casting is wrapped securely in a styrofoam package. This Isuzu tractor head is equally impressive as the Hino version. The details are superior. In fact, I was unboxing this a couple of hours ago and it really kept me wide awake. Every single detail is very realistic, including a very vibrant color in lime green. My only complaint is the tail light. In my opinion, they should be plastic insert and not painted. The cables or the hose is what took me by surprise. It's a very nice addition by TLVN to pimp up the realism. I really like all these small touches and detailed marking on the Isuzu tractor head. The Antico car transporter itself needs no introduction. Everything is the same except for the difference in color. It's very heavy and worth the buck. Likewise, my complaints are the tail light, which is just only painted. The ram are able to release effortlessly, including sliding it down. The stand in my terms are able to release effortlessly to make the car transporter stand right up. At the stationary position without the tractor head, is able to stand upright. Connecting the tractor head to the transporter is easy. They connect very well and able to maneuver freely. Loading the 164 casting onto the transporter is super easy. Just like the Hino car transporter, the new Isuzu variant will definitely sit well with existing or new TLVN collectors, and I have no doubt this will look extremely presentable in your showcase or even in die-cast photography. Stay tuned for more TLVN unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!